Hi, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a lovely cheesy soda bread. The ingredients we're going to be using are
450 grams of plain flour, 300 ml of buttermilk, 3 tablespoons of natural yogurt,
100 grams of grated cheese, 1 teaspoon of bicarb of soda and 1 teaspoon of salt.
Also 1 tablespoon
of mixed herbs. Okay, so what we did is we put all our dry ingredients into the bowl. We made a well in the centre, we added in the buttermilk and we added in the yoghurt, then we mixed it all up and we brought it all together. We kneaded it out into a dough and then we cut it into shapes, and then what we've done is we've covered it with cheese. It's now going to go into the oven 220 degrees for around 20 minutes, but I would check on it, maybe look when it's about 15 minutes to see whether they're starting to brown on the top. So we've made our cheesy soda breads. They smell absolutely amazing.
I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to click the notification bell.
Bye!